Okay, welcome back. This is Lab 8.2, the third question of 3. And here we're calculating the income using two different depreciation methods for the full 5-year life of the asset. So Southgate bought a machine for $106,000, 5-year useful life, residual value of $10,000, and the company expects to earn $31,000 annually after deducting all of the expenses except depreciation. And we're supposed to complete the following tables, assuming straight line depreciation for the first, double declining balance for the second, and rounding all amounts to the nearest dollar, and assume it's depreciated as an individual item, not broken into parts and depreciated. So we just need to worry about the full machinery amount. Okay, so we can put in $31,000 as the income before depreciation, and that goes all the way across. So grab that and drag it there, there, and there, and there, and then down here, there, okay, and then the 5-year total would be 31,000 times 5. Okay, now the depreciation expense. It doesn't tell us that it was purchased partway through the year. We don't have any date, so we'll assume that it's the full year of usage. So the straight line, take the 106,000 minus the residual of 10,000, divide that by 5, and that's the amount we would use each year. And then if we took 5 times 19,200, 96,000 would be the total. And now we can actually, let's take the 31,000 and drag it down and all the way across. That saves a little typing, and that's always a good thing. Okay, so now we go there and hit the end key and subtract 19,200. Well, I guess in this case we can actually drag that across because it's the same depreciation for each one. And so if we wanted to check to see whether we had the correct amount here, we go to the end and we subtract 96,000. We do a quick check calculation down here, 11,800, 800 times 5 gives us 59,000, so that's the right number. Okay, so now we need depreciation expense on the double declining balance approach. So we need to take 2 over 5, the useful life, multiply that by 106,000, and we will continue depreciating it until we get below 96,000, which is the 106 minus 10,000. So here, the second year, we take the 106,000 and we subtract the first year's depreciation of 42,400, and then we drag that forward, and we subtract 25,440. Drag that forward, open it up, go to the end, backspace once, minus 15264. And in the last year, we're not really sure that 9158 is the correct number, so let's just take that out. Remember that the number we're looking for is 160,000, 106,000 minus 10,000, or 96,000 is the total amount we want to depreciate over the entire life. So in this column, let's add up the total depreciation to date: 25,440 plus 15264 plus 9158. That works out to 92,262. So that's not quite 96,000. So in this cell, we're going to take 96,000 minus 92262. Works out to 3738. And then back over here, let's go to the end. And instead of 9150, oh, no, I guess we need to leave the 9158 there. We're going to add in the 3738, and hopefully that works out to 96,000. It does. So then we see that the 155 minus 96 is going to be 59. So you can drag that down here if you like. 31,000, put it there, Let's drag that all the way across and we'll just subtract a different number. Okay, so the first year, 31,000. Go to the end, minus 42,440. We actually lost money that year. Go to the end, subtract 25,440. Oh, made a little bit of money that year. Oops. Escape, try again. Go to the end, minus 15264. Go to the end, minus 9158. Go to the end, minus 3738. Now let's just check to make sure. We have a minus 11,440 plus 5660 plus 15736 plus 21842 plus 27262 works out to 59,060. Ooh, that's not good. Let's check to see whether we put the correct numbers in. Minus 11,440 plus 50. Ooh, I can't type very well. It should be 5560 in the second year. 15,736, 21,842, 27,262. Okay, let's fix that. Should be 5560. And it's still not quite right. So I need to check to see what I did here. 42. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Okay, so make sure you typed in all the right numbers. It's a good thing we did this check, right? 25,440. 15,736. Okay, good. 21,842. Okay. Now let's go back here and adjust this. Okay, that's what we're looking for. So now we're all done. Let's see what Lyrics thought. Lyrics agrees. We're done.